LS3, stage 3 drift cam.
Everything looks brand new. Hello, I'm Jensen. What's going on, guys? We got a special treat for you. My brother SideshowTone's car. We're gonna get it tuned today. He just got it built by D's, so let's see what it makes. Oh my God. How you doing? Good. What's up, bro? Put in a lot of work on this thing, huh? I've been seeing the process. We'll show you guys everything D did, but from wiring to whole new motor, a bunch of shit is done in this car. So we're here at Red Zone, about to get it tuned, see how much power it makes. So I gotta ask, you built the motor, what do you think it's gonna make?
I'm bad on numbers. I ain't a number guy. I don't believe in the numbers, but what they say out there, almost at least 5, for sure 490, because we just did 490 on the Camry LS3.
That's what you're trying to shoot for too, is 5s?
Yeah. 5 full. It's not whatever. It's how you pull everything out. Yeah. I already know. It's a whole different story, though.
Bro, I've only gone a quarter thought and it feels like full thought.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's healthy.
You know, before you have the RPM set time, the rip on it?
Yeah. No more of that.
No. I'm barely getting a done and I already want to go.
Okay.
But no more heavy. Found some metal, baby.
King Redline. They sound healthy. This thing's about to get a fresh new paint job too, so it's gonna have a whole new look soon. It's gonna look completely different. This was for like the 2023 season. Beginning of 2024 is about to get a complete change. They're running fine. This is private property too. It's been a minute,
I've been playing low this year. Oh yeah, I missed that shit.
Fuck yeah.
That shit's tight with no bumpers on that motherfucker.
It's gonna look crazy with the whole new paint.
I know, I can't wait. For real.
It sounds so healthy. Sounds so healthy.
Big, damn, bud. Oh, fuck. Tight, bro. Nah, it sounds hella healthy now, bro.
He's already getting the new look ready. Pulling that car off the dyno right now. All right, so do you remember what you did motor-wise? Set up?
Hell no.
All right, D, come back over here. So what did he do setup-wise?
So a brand new LS3,
okay.
long block, and then
You said big cam.
yeah, I think we did a stage 3 drift cam from Michigan Motorsports. A special drift cam that was spec for it. And then all new LS swap kits, from new headers, new pan.
You did a bunch of wiring under the dash
all new
and
wiring,
everything.
like you can see all the wiring right here.
I remember him posting that. It was like
Everything, yeah. Like if you look down there, it's all new wiring down there, all that shit.
fresh.
All new buttons in the for theirs. And now you only got like 3 quick little buttons. The trunk's all cleaned up. There's not a bunch of wiring and shit. Everything. Yeah, that or you got the heat itself.
Wow. Comment down below what you guys think, how much it's gonna make on the dyno. But we're thinking like 5s. Tone's new car. If you guys haven't seen this thing, follow Tone on Instagram. If you don't, you're slipping. Make sure you go follow bro on IG. but this is the new 66 drop on gold ones. This thing is like in perfect condition. I can't see any flaws. It is beautiful. You know, a little bit of trash in there right now. I've been driving it, but so nice with the top down. It's been hot. Yeah, race car going off. When was the last time you seen this thing? Better Jam? Damn near?
The last time I've seen it?
Yeah.
I'll be stopping by
Oh yeah.
to drop off the parts.
When was the last time you drove it? Better Jam?
What?
Oh yeah, huh?
Crispy ass shell too, huh?
Stupid clean. Whipple Coyote. That thing nice. Private property. Private property. Huh?
Whipple.
Whipple.
Bonus here, like Whipple.
Whipple. Whipple. Fresh under there. Fresh. You see them headers. See them headers. Wow. Fresh.
Trying to talk out there too. They're like, huh?
How much? 425. Not bad. First pull. So 425, first dyno pull. Pop up here, see what the engine bay looks like now after the refresh. Whole new engine bay color and everything. It's got some candy in it, some flake. Everything looks brand new. Brand new. Stay shitty, man. Just trying to get all the stickers off ASAP.
now.
For real, for real. Make any more on that hit? 464. That's a big jump from the first pull. Went from 425 to 464. Nice. Last one, a 475. Nice. As you can see, first one 425, second 464, third one was 475. Good power out the LS3. So fourth pull, got 479. It's almost 480 on the fourth pull. Oh, 482. Just keeps getting better and better. Damn. Bro, look over. Shit. God damn.
Damn, guy.
Sounds like it pulls a little bit.
Damn, guy. You be snagging them gears, boy. That was dope.
Everyone was like, what the fuck? You happy?
Always. Hell yeah.
482?
482?
482?
That's a little missile right here. Little rockets.
Good LS3. Built by D's Garage. Shout out D. Put in a lot of time on this thing. Whole new refresh. Literally touched damn near everything on this car. Ready for the first event. Like I said, it's about to go to paint. But after that, about to kill some tires. You happy? Yeah?
Hey,
So how you feel?
I'm pumped right now.
Car's running perfect.
D did a fantastic job. Shout out to D's Garage. It's my homie.
Hell yeah.
We've been working on this shit for a little while. I've been laying low. He's been working hella hard. So big shout out to D. Shout out to Guy. He's on the ones and twos again, doing the tune. So big shout out to Red Zone and Guy, man. Without you guys, we wouldn't even be running. And I just want to say, I'm coming back. I'm ready to drive, and I'm fucking pumped.
Fuck
Let's
yeah.
do this shit. Stay shitty for life, you dig?
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
No, I'm pumped though, man. This shit, it's healthy, man.
Yeah.
Healthy LS3. Knew everything, man. Knew everything.
Literally though, knew
Yeah,
everything.
All the way down to the wiring harness, or even to the oil pan. Just fresh everything. You know what I mean?
It's gonna feel so good driving.
I'm pumped.
Yeah, I'm happy for
I've
you.
been laying low for a few months, so it's like, you know.
Gonna pop back out fresh.
No, yeah. I need to drive, man.
Yeah.
I'm itching to drive.
You got that antsy feeling, huh?
I need to drive.
Yeah.
So that's what it is. What it looks like. Yeah, there's the whole thing. Sick.
Yeah,
You know,
just
so we
change
can
it
do
up
water
the
and
whole
oil temp on the face of it, man.
So you already have blueprints right here.
Yeah.
Oil pressure right there.
Yeah.
And then oil temp 30 on.
Bro, thank you so much, guys. God damn, bro.
He's already putting it away and shit.
I don't know what to do with it. You know what I'm saying?
Oh.
Shout out to guys, man. Red Zone. Stay shitty, you dig? It's on the floor, baby.
That shit sounds good.
You know what's on the floor is real. It's on the floor.
Private property, not public property. Private property. Another race car pulling in.
Oh, it feels hella tight. Like, I don't get it.
A little different?
Nigga, a lot of different. I feel like a whole new car. I'm tripping on that shit.
It's a D's touch, like the Midas touch. It's a D's touch.
Hello. So if you haven't yet, make sure you go follow my brother SideshowTone on Instagram. Stay tuned for the next video. Episode 15 of the Manual Hellcat Charger series will be coming up next. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Deuces.